Good morning students, hope you all are fine. Our today's topic is cross-pollination. Transfer of pollen grain from anther of one flower to the stigma of genetically different flower. It is also called xenogamy or allogamy. The term allogamy includes both geitonogamy and xenogamy. Cross-pollination is performed with the help of external agencies. The latter may be biotic or abiotic. Abiotic includes wine and water, and biotic includes insects, birds, bats, snails, etc. Our first type of cross pollination is anemophily. It is also called wind pollination. It is the mode of cross pollination or transfer of pollen grain from mature anther to the stigma of pistil, which is accomplished through the agency of wind. For example, coconut, date palm, maize, many grasses. Here are some particular characteristics feature for the anemophilous flower. Flowers are small and inconspicuous. Non-essential parts are either absent or reduced. The flowers are colorless, odorless and nectarless. In case of unisexual flower, the male flower are more abundant. In bisexual flower, the stamens are generally numerous or more in number. Pistils are generally uniovulated. Flowers are produced above the foliage. Both the stigma and anther are exerted. Anthers are versatile. In some cases, like Eutriga, the anther bursts suddenly to throw the pollen grain. Gunpowder mechanism जिसे हम कह सकते हैं. Pollen grains are produced in very large number. In anemophily, the highly wasteful as it non-directional. Stigma is hairy. Pollen grain are dry, smooth, non-sticky and unwettable. These are the characteristics of anemophily. Now we are going to discuss about the hydrophily, or we can say water pollination. It is the mode of pollination or transfer of pollen grain from the mature anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower, which is accomplished through an agency of water. In this, the flowers are small and inconspicuous. Perianth and other floral parts are unwettable. Nectar and odor are absent. Pollen grains are light and unwettable due to presence of mucilage cover. These are some characteristics. In this, the stigma is long, sticky, unwettable. Example is Vallisneria, Zostera. Now we are going to discuss the zoophily. It is a pollination through the agency of animal. The most common type of animal pollinators are insects. Other are birds, bats, snails, human beings, some primates, arboreal rodent and reptiles, lizards. Another type of pollination is cross-pollination is entomophily. It is the most common type of zoophily in which the pollen grain of ripe anther of a flower are transferred to the mature stigma of another flower through the agency of insects like moths, butterfly, wasp, bees, beetles, etc. The insects visit the flower for nectar, edible pollen grains or shelter. Bees do pollination in nearly 80% of flowers. They obtain both nectar and pollen grain from the flower. Bees have pollen baskets for collecting pollens. Here are some characteristics for entomophily. That the flowers they show showy or brightly colored. The small flowers become conspicuous by their grouping. Sorry for disturbance. Most insect pollinated flowers have an landing platform. Some flowers have structural peculiarities to get pollinated by the particular type of insects. In many cases, special marking occur on the petals for guiding the insects to the nectar gland. They are called honey or nectar guides. Our next type of cross pollination is ornithophily, or we can say bird pollination through birds. It is the mode of allogamy performed by birds. Only a few type of birds are specialized for this. They usually have small size and long beak. Two common type of tropical pollinating birds are sunbirds and hummingbirds. Hummingbirds perform pollination while hovering over the flower. Sunbirds alight over the shoots, spotting flower, or occasionally rest over the flower. Here are some. Our next type of cross pollination is Chiropterophily. It is the cross pollination performed by the bats. Bats are nocturnal flying mammals which can transport pollen over long distance, sometime over 30 km. Next is Malacophily. Snails perform pollination and some जो हमारे snails हैं वो snails perform pollination in Erythema. Our next type of cross pollination is controlled pollination. In all breeding programs, the plants are band pollinated to ensure cross pollination between selected varieties. Date palm has been under artificial pollination since times immemorial.